Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 2, Part 2. Right now we're going to talk about bar graphs. And as you're reading through the book, you'll read a lot about Minitab and other Excel add-ins that can help you with these graphs. Now we're going to use add-ins at other points in the class to help with statistical functions, but for graphs we're just going to stick with regular old Excel. These other programs actually create superior and better graphs, but you're not always going to have these on the computers in the workplace or other places you may be, so I want you to learn how to do these things with what every version of Excel will have. So what I've done here is include, I'll zoom in on this a little bit, is include a data set that I created out of thin air. We have the year, and then we have 1990 through 1999, snow, and I could have done decimal points and been more precise, but this is just inches of snow and this is inches of rain. And we're going to create a bar graph that puts this information into bar graph format and shows the relationship between the snow and the rain. So in order to do this, we're going to highlight these two rows right here. Then we're going to go to Insert, Bar, and we're going to have to go down to Other Chart Types because we want the vertical. I think the vertical look better, so I'm choosing vertical. I'm going to click on the first one there, then click OK. And it's going to give us a vertical chart. But you see that you've got inches over here, and over here we don't have the years. So we're going to have to change that up. The snow and the rain look nice on the side. And so what we're going to do is go to Select Data, and we're going to go to Horizontal Category Axis Labels. We're going to click Edit, and it's going to ask us for a range, and sure enough we got our range right there. We're going to highlight 1990 through 1999, click OK, click OK again, and there we have our nice data set. And then you can go ahead and label the datas. You can go ahead and label the axes as well. So we can go primary horizontal axis title below the axis, and this is year. I typed that into the bar up here and then hit return and it popped it in down here, just so you know how I did that. And I'll do the other one, axis title, primary vertical axis, and we're going to do that vertically. And instead of, I'll type it up here again, and I'm going to type inches. And then hit return, and it's going to pop it right in there again. And there you have a nice bar graph. And you could put the title at the top as well and title it for your city or whatever it might be. And so this is how you do a comparison bar graph. And we could go over what the data means, but since I made it up out of thin air, I'm not sure if it really means anything. But there seems to be, because I made it up and didn't pay attention, there's no correlation at all between rain and snow. In real life, you'd probably get a pretty good relationship there. So this is very similar to what the homework asks you to do, and so hopefully this will help. Please email me with any questions you might have. We'll talk again for Chapter 3.